Hello, welcome to Ansel Griffin's Occasional series in YouTube tutorials. Today we're in Visual Basic in Excel and we're looking at a typical problem that you may meet in the building services industry. So on this sheet here we have a number of substances in column A, and in column B we have the specific heat capacity. So we want to write a little program where you enter the mass and the change in temperature, and you will pick up the specific heat capacity from this list and it'll output Q, the heat. So I have the code written here, and let's just see the code running for the moment. Hopefully that will explain things a little clearer, and then we might look at the code in detail. So I run, I select one that I know the answer. I'm going to go down to water, because that's 4192. The mass is 2. The change in temperature is, say, 2. So the mass by the specific heat capacity by the change in temperature. So that's 4192, 4186, excuse me, 4186 by 2 by 2. And that's around 16,600, something like that. Do the calculations. 16,700, and we finish. Okay, so just go back to here. I type these in, and then looking at the code here. Now, obviously this is done, so I can't recreate it. User form.activate. So once the form is activated or is loaded, you go to the sheets. You clear the combo box there, and then you use a for loop that will go round to the end of the range. So it will go round. I is going to be, go back to here, I is 1, I is 2, I is 3, I is 4, 5. Okay, so I is 1 behind the number row. So on row 6, I is 5. On row 24, I is 23. Then this bit here, .xl, it goes down to the very row, it goes down to the very end. What do I mean by the very end? You know, it keeps going down to wherever it is, row 65,000. Then, .row, it jumps up to where it was. It jumps up, so it gets to there, goes down to the very end, then jumps back up. It keeps track of I, and I is going to be out by 2. Okay, so we do that. So we've done all that. We've added the combo box. Then, this is the bit of code here. You want to know what row you're on. So you've selected here, when we run this water, and when we're in water, that's row 18, but the VBA will record it as 16. So what you have to say is you want to get the heat capacity, so you use this formula here, rows. So rows there will actually be 16, even though you're on row 18. You're on row 18 there. I'll be recorded, my row will be recorded as 16. 16 plus 2 is 18, and then you're in B. So cells command, it's the row first and the column second. Usually it's the other way around. And you pick up the corresponding value. So we're here, we're on 4186. We read in the change in temperature. Sorry for flicking. We read in the change in temperature there. We read in the mass there. Then we do Q, so it's 4186 by 2 by 2, and then we put the heat in text q.text that goes in there. So let's just run that once again. Select the water. Okay, so that will find I as 16. We add to row 18 because it's 4186. Enter the mass 2. Enter the change 2. Just I'm running over that again. And 4 times 4186, which we found was 16,700 and something. Okay, and we hit finish. Okay, so hope that helps a little, and thanks very much for listening.